Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do an unboxing of a brand new handbag my husband had gifted me. So I'm just going to go ahead and just dive right into the unboxing. So here's the box. I opened it up. I didn't want to show my address or anything. So this, I guess, is the holiday season edition. It's got a little bust right here, but yeah, I thought that was really cute. And then I did check the box for a complimentary bag, and usually it comes in a bag like this color right here, but again, I guess for the holiday season we have this special edition, which is absolutely adorable, you guys. And so yeah, that's that. So I have already opened the box and viewed the bag, but for purposes of this video I'm gonna do it for you guys. So here's the box that it comes in. And so when we open the box, here is the dust bag that the bag is in. And this was attached to the bag. It's just a Lego looking card with Louis Vuitton written in it. It was supposed to have a note in here, but I guess they didn't feel like writing anything. But here is the new bag that is added to my wardrobe collection, you guys. My husband gifted me this purse for our anniversary / Christmas. We got married Christmas Day 2011, so this is our 11-year anniversary, and I really wanted a Louis Vuitton bag, and so he finally got me one, you guys, and I'm really excited and pleased. So I got this in a monogram print because it's just classic. Like, I know a lot of people say, you know, it takes a lot of work keeping up with the vachetta, making sure that you don't get it messed up in the rain. And it's actually raining today. I got this purse yesterday and I wanted to wear it, but I'm actually waiting for the wallet to go with this. My husband also purchased the Emily wallet that I'm going to be unboxing as well in another video, but I'm gonna wait until I get that wallet. I don't know, I may wear it tomorrow because it's not supposed to rain tomorrow, but I don't want to take that chance. So I don't know, I may wait until the wallet comes in. But yeah, here is the bag, you guys. Again, this is the monogram print, and I chose the monogram print because, like I said, it's a classic piece. And I really like the dummier beer print, but I just felt like it wasn't really me. I feel like this right here, the original monogram, is like so me, you guys. And so here is the tag. And when you push this down, we have the keys that are attached to it. And then opening it up on the inside, zippers are smooth the way that it's supposed to be. On the inside is the strap, of course, that comes with the Alma BB, and I chose the Alma BB. Originally I wanted the Speedy 25, you guys, and I wanted the original one without the strap, because if I do get the Speedy 25, or when I do get the Speedy 25, it is going to be the one without the strap, because I like it better without the strap. And I think I'm going to get it in the Damier a bean print. But anyways, so on the inside you have the strap, and then you have your little dust bag that has your lock here. Cute, cute, cute. And then what else is in here? Just your tags. Yeah, and there is everything that's in the bag, and it's pretty spacious for the most part. I am going to do a video on what's in my Alma BB purse once I get everything together. But yeah, you guys, here is the purse. I'm really excited about this, you guys. I've been wanting a Louis Vuitton for a very, very long time, and my husband and I have been working extremely hard, and I'm really glad that he was able to gift this to me for our anniversary and for the holiday season, which our anniversary happens to fall on. But I'm going to do some mod shots for you guys and show you guys how it looks on my body. And for reference, I am 5'6". Let me show you guys the side as well. You have the Louis Vuitton, made in France. And the stitch work on this purse is absolutely phenomenal. And I know I am going to have to baby her, but I am ready for the journey. And the great thing about Louis Vuittons, you guys, is that they really hold their value. That's why I really wanted a Louis Vuitton specifically. I'm not really into the YSL purses. If I do get a YSL looking purse, it would be the Tory Burch one, the little quilted one. That one is really cute and it's more reasonably priced. But I really wanted a Louis Vuitton, and so I'm really pleased with this purchase. And again, another great thing about Louis Vuitton is that if you want to resell it, you get your pretty much your full money's worth in value when you sell it. So that's another great thing, as long as you take care of it. Now it's all on how you take care of it, because if you want to resell it and it's like damaged, then you're not going to get the best value from it selling it. So, but me personally, I am never going to sell this purse. This will always be with me in my collection, and God willing, when I do have a daughter, you guys, I will pass it down to her. I'm really excited about this bag. I love it. It's so adorable. So let's show you guys some mod shots. So yeah, you guys, that is the end of this unboxing video. My husband paid $19.34, I believe, with tax for everything. So the price increase is tremendous, you guys. I believe this purse used to cost like $1,100. So they added on a good $600 since the years passed. But honestly, I felt like $1,700 is still worth getting this purse, you guys. Honestly, it's amazing. Like I said, it holds its value, and it's just a timeless classic piece. I mean, the details on this purse is phenomenal. And yeah, you guys, I'm really pleased with my purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing my brand new Alma BB that my husband blessed me with. And of course, I just thank Jesus for allowing us the opportunity to purchase luxury items like this. We're not very big into like flashy luxury things, but I really wanted a Louis Vuitton. And so I'm eternally grateful for this purse, you guys, and I can't wait to wear it all year long next year. So yeah, I'll show you guys the wallet that I will be pairing with this as well. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very blessed rest of the week in Jesus' name, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.